I'm a state national.
Usually you have a card.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department. You're violating my Fourth Amendment right. I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope.
Stop it. Oh my God, are you crazy?
An officer pulls over a woman after she runs a stop sign. And within the first few seconds of contact, she's verbally hit with legal terms and definitions she's never heard of before, and ultimately a suspect who will eventually force her to go full hands-on.
Good morning, Officer Langwise of the Naples Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is failure to come to a complete stop at the stop sign.
Oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Is this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national, so I no longer have to abide by the corporation's rules, and I have my documentation for that.
Okay.
Those were previous citations that were dismissed by Judge Crone.
Yeah, this doesn't show me anything of why you don't have to have a driver's license, so.
I'm a state national, so I'm exempt from the problem or what you guys do. I'm exempt from the.
Usually you have a card on you that states that they give you that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so.
So what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Yes, ma'am.
You should have been at least issued an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license, you should have a Florida ID.
No, because the identification card, again, abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you. And I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm not state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States.
Okay.
No longer a part of the corporation.
Where do you reside at?
I reside in Naples, Florida.
Where exactly?
Here in Naples.
I know, but I need to know so I can issue you a citation. I need to know your address.
You don't have to issue me a citation.
We still have to follow the rules that everybody else follows.
No, ma'am, I do not. I do not. That's why I always get it excused.
You don't have any documentation on you stating that, so you're not exempt.
No, I am exempt. Believe me, you'll get a bond from me that goes directly towards you, that fines you for every minute that you're holding me here. There is no crime that's committed. You can only detain me if there's a crime committed.
Ma'am, you are legally have to follow
if
you're operating a motor vehicle in Florida.
No.
You still have to follow the regulations.
No, I don't. See, you guys are extorting money from us. See, the problem is you're violating my Fourth Amendment right.
No, I'm actually not, ma'am.
Yes, you are. I can go through it with you, doll.
Okay.
I have it all here.
You stand by for me.
Mentally confused, the officer quickly calls her sergeant to help figure out exactly how they should handle this woman.
Sarge, do you have a minute?
Sure, go right ahead.
Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen, and...
For documentation from the judge.
Okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state traveler. I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Stating she doesn't have to have a driver's license, she can run the stop sign, do everything, and that she travels through common law, and
If she If she fails to produce identification or a driver's license, she can be
I
arrested.
did produce my
She gave me her passport, but she says she doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't need a driver's license. She doesn't have one for 6
If
years.
she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she can be arrested for not having a driver's license.
no state shall convert
Thanks,
my
sir.
I'll send you back up.
it's a
Okay,
God-given
thanks.
right.
All right, bye.
It's a God-given right. You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. It's a God-given right. We're the supreme law of
Ma'am,
the
do you have your
land.
registration for the vehicle?
I don't have registration with me. No, I don't have to provide it. I am.
Ma'am, you do. You're driving a
No,
vehicle
ma'am. I am
on the road.
common law.
I
It is not a
understand your
privilege. It's a
common
right.
law.
It's a God-given right for me to be able to travel.
Ma'am, do you have your registration with
No, I
you?
don't.
Okay. So you have no registration, no driver's
I
license?
have it. I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it. So
Well,
go ahead and call
in-
your supervisor
In the
here.
event, you get into an accident with somebody or somebody,
I have-
all these documents
I
have to
have
actually be
I have insurance.
Okay. Well,
I
yes,
have
but the
insurance,
vehicle
and I've
has to
also
be
got a bond.
registered, too.
So there's no
That's
injured
fine.
party here, honey.
Okay.
You
It
don't-
doesn't matter if there's no
Absolutely
injured
it does. That's when a crime is committed. That's the only time you can pull me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
you
an
need to-
injured party.
No,
You're
that's not how it
offering
works.
the contract is not accepted.
Stand by.
You're offering
With a backup officer now present, they decide together how they're going to escalate.
She's sovereign. Huh? She's sovereign. She won't provide me with a driver's license. Her driver's license is expired in 2025. She won't provide me with the registration. The registration is up to date, actually. And so right now she's just giving me all types of problems. I was just gonna write her for expired driver's license. So Sarge said to call somebody else because she's not complying with anything. She has an expired driver's license. She can't drive. So somebody else is either gonna have to come drive her car, and it's an arrest, or right?
Yep.
That's about 14. You want the female, please?
Because your driver's license is actually expired, man. You don't have a valid driver's license.
my freedom to travel freely into
Ma'am, what I need you to do right now is turn your car off for me so we can get this situated.
What are we getting situated?
I'm trying to help you,
What are you trying to help me with?
ma'am.
No, I don't understand. What are you trying to help me with?
I've explained everything to you. I've been
I-
very kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need you to...
call your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor.
We can do that
And what
too.
is your badge number, please?
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now,
Okay.
according to Shapiro versus Thompson.
Okay, that's no problem, ma'am.
These are constitutional laws that have been put in place, ma'am. That's what I follow, the Constitution. The
that
state
is-
of Florida
that is
has given me the
good.
right to
That is
travel
good.
freely
That
in
is
my
okay.
private vehicle and turn it into a privilege, which is
okay.
against my constitutional rights.
That's okay.
I am not contracting with you.
Okay, my partner has been very kind with you. Okay.
I understand
So
that
listen,
kind. I can get
listen,
your
hear me out for a second, okay? Just,
your
I heard what you had to say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off and step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
If you
stepping
listen to
out
me,
of my-
you are going to step out of the vehicle
Why would I do that?
because I asked you to.
You don't have any authority
I do.
over me.
I do.
No, you don't,
Yes, I do.
sir. You both are criminals.
No, you're going to
You
step
both
out
are-
of the vehicle, or I'm going to make you get out of the vehicle.
I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not. No.
Hey, don't.
No.
Oh my
no.
God.
No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen,
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop
not.
it. Leave me
No.
alone. Please stop. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No. You're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Wait, let me turn my vehicle
No.
off.
Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
Do not.
it.
Grab this one.
I'm gonna
please.
lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
No.
lock up my car.
No.
ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my
you.
God, Bert.
Central Bravo.
Hold on, get your son.
33 there.
Get your
Listen,
supervisor.
Step out, step out, step
Oh my
out.
God, let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now.
out.
Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out
park.
now.
Step out.
Now.
Step out.
Now.
Oh my God, my car's
Step out.
Stay right there. Do not move.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yep.
Nobody else in the car?
Nope.
Please lock
Step.
up my car.
No.
I want to lock up my
Okay,
car.
I'm gonna take care of it in a second.
Yeah, I gotta get my purse. I want to get my purse, please.
Can you pat her down, please?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm right here for a minute.
Spread your feet out.
If you just call Judge Crone, he'll tell you. Can you loosen these up? They hurt.
Well, that's what you do.
Oh my God. Will you please loosen the cuffs up? They hurt.
12, one in custody. You can 33 there. Clear 33. Excuse me.
Don't tow my car.
Have a
Do not
seat.
impound my car.
Have a seat.
Ow. You've got to unloose these, please.
Step
They
back.
hurt.
Step out. I'll take a look at them.
Please. Please. Ow. Please.
Take a look. I'll take a look.
Oh my God.
Step over
Please,
2 steps.
Please.
To your left.
Please, please. They hurt me.
Bravo.
Please.
Okay.
Please, they hurt. Please
Sorry,
take
yeah,
them
well,
off. Please, sir.
On the signal 4.
Please,
You need to turn
sir.
your hands inward so that I can reach them.
Please,
Okay, take 2
sir,
steps
please.
back.
Please take it off.
Bend over at the waist, please, so I can reach them.
Ow, please, please take them off. Ow. 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 Ow.
You have bracelets. I can't
Man,
reach
it's
them.
only
Please,
because your
please.
bracelets are rubbing against
Please take
the
it off.
cuff.
Please, please. I'll pay you anything, please. It's killing me, please. Please. Ow, ow. Please take them off. Please. Please take them off, please. Ow. Please take them off.
I can't reach them the way you're standing.
Ow, ow.
I can't reach them with their bracelets.
Policy at 9:10. Break.
Oh my God, please.
It's right here.
Bravo 14. You're
Please
good. About
take them
9:10.
off.
If you want to
Man,
turn.
stand up straight for me. Stand up straight for me. Relax your arms for me real fast. Relax. See? Actually, I can put my fingers in here. So
Please
there's...
take them off.
Ma'am,
please.
when you relax, I can get in underneath to loosen it, okay?
Just take
I
them
need
off.
you to take
They're
a
not going to
breath.
come off completely.
I won't hurt you. I
Okay.
won't fight you. Please.
Ma'am,
Just
I need
take
you
them
to
off.
twist your arm
Twist
right
your
here.
arm inward.
Ah.
You got it? You see it right there?
Please, I was just going to church. Please.
I got it.
Please, let me have off. Please let me go. Please, I was just going to church.
Okay. Got it?
Nope. You
No?
need to twist it.
Please.
Ma'am, they're not on that side. They're not on that side. I can see. There's space.
No, my
Hold right
fingers
there.
fit between it.
Yeah.
Hold right
They're not
there.
that side.
Oh, please don't. Please don't. I was just going to church. Please let me go to church. Don't tighten them again. You don't have to tighten
Nope, I
them
put
that
2
much,
sets on
sir.
there and they are loose. Okay, lock them, please. Nope.
It's and now we get it right.
Ow, you don't have to tighten it, sir.
I'm not tightening
You
anything.
are. You're tightening
I'm not.
the band.
I'm not.
They have to be
Man.
clamped on. They're handcuffs.
Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please get my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
Wait a minute.
I will get, we will
You're
take
not-
care of your property.
You're going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that,
Gonna sit
kid.
down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
Don't tow my car. I'll
you.
call my brother to come down.
Thank you.
Please don't tow my car.
Watch your legs.
Let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings?
They're going to be secured in the vehicle.
Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please.
Okay. I can check with the supervisor and ask if he's...
Please let me have my purse so I can post bail. Please.
Let me check. Where were you born? Okay.
I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's gonna get towed. There is nothing around that.
What if you my car?
It's not going to.
How do you know that?
Because we notate any damage on it prior to the tow.
There is no damage on my car.
And there won't be any when you get it.
How do I get it?
You'll be advised on where it's going to get towed to.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I can't answer that question. I don't know. That's not up to us.
Well, we need a magistrate here to tell me that right now.
You'll go before a judge when you get in.
Okay.
You know your social?
I'm sorry, I can't give that to you. I've got to stop answering questions.
All right.
Am I going downtown or am I going out to the Collier County Courthouse?
You're going to the Collier County Courthouse.
Oh my God.
Kristen,
Yeah.
how are you?
Hi.
My name is Sergeant Fox.
Hey.
Okay? I don't know what happened on the road.
Okay.
We're just here to get you processed in. You are under arrest, which I'm sure you know,
Okay.
but I just don't want to have any issues.
Okay.
Okay?
Sure.
If you comply with us, we'll get the job done
Not a problem.
and be.
This incident began as a simple traffic stop, but quickly escalates because of a belief system that courts have repeatedly rejected. Police stopped a woman who was operating a vehicle with an expired driver's license, and in most states, driving with an expired license is a violation of motor vehicle law. At this point, the situation was still minor. However, during the stop, the woman refused to exit the vehicle even after officers informed her that her license was expired and that she was required to step out of her car. Officers are legally allowed to order a driver out of a vehicle during a traffic stop for safety reasons. Instead of complying, the woman began invoking sovereign citizen and state national language, insisting that traffic laws do not apply to her. Now, to understand why this did not help her case, it's important to explain what those beliefs are. Sovereign citizens and state nationals are closely related movements. While they use different labels, they share nearly identical core beliefs. Both claim that they are not subject to state or federal laws, that driver's licenses are contracts they never agreed to, and that traffic laws only apply to people engaged in commercial activity. Common phrases you may have heard of are "I'm traveling, not driving," "I do not consent," and "I'm a state national, not a U.S. citizen." Courts have consistently ruled that these arguments have no legal standing. There is no legal distinction that allows someone to opt out of the traffic laws based on these claims, and operating a vehicle on public roads requires a valid license regardless of what terminology someone uses. Refusing to comply with lawful orders does not negate the law, it adds consequences, and when the woman continued refusing to exit the vehicle, officers warned her multiple times. Eventually, they had to physically remove her from the car. This is where the second major change comes into play. Resisting an officer without violence does not require striking or attacking police. It includes refusing to exit the vehicle, bracing against officers, pulling away, or forcing officers to physically remove someone. Because the woman refused repeated lawful commands and physically resisted being removed, officers were required to use force to gain compliance. 2 officers ultimately removed her from her vehicle, and at that moment, what began as an expired license violation quickly escalated into a criminal offense. Importantly, none of the sovereign citizen or state national arguments prevented this outcome. In fact, they often make situations worse by delaying compliance and forcing officers to escalate. In summary, courts have made it clear beliefs do not override statutes, terminology does not replace a valid driver's license, and refusing lawful orders does not make an arrest unlawful. In many cases like this, the most serious charges aren't traffic violations, they are the decision to resist. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments section. Do you think you'll ever try a sovereign citizen or state national defense during a traffic stop? All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm going to church.
No, you're gonna get out of the vehicle right now. Nope.
Stop it.
Do not.
Stop it.
Do not. No.
Hey, don't.
No.
Oh my
No.
God.
No.
Kate.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop
not.
it. Leave me
No.
alone.